Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have learned how to find the HCF by using 2 digits and by using 3 digits we have learned. Today I will explain how to find the HCF by successive method. How to find the HCF by successive method by 2 digits and 3 digits we have learned. Today we will learn about how to find the HCF by using 4 digits. 4 digits ని యూజ్ చేసి HCF ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి సక్సెసివ్ మెథడ్ లో నేర్చుకుందాం ఓకేనా. HCF means highest common factor. So how to find the HCF by using 4 digits today we will learn. So you have to complete your homework up to 9 problems. 9th question వరకు 3 digits ఉన్నాయి. 10 exercise 4.4 లో 10, 11, 12 are 4 digit numbers. That's why afterwards we have F and G bits. Then we will learn what is mean by lowest common multiple. We will learn LCM and we will go to the exercise. Okay children. So how to find the LCM by using 4 digits. Now, we have to find HCF by using 4 digits. For example, if you have the 4 digits are 12, 16, 24, 36. If I have like this, then how to find the HCF? First of all, how to find the HCF by successive division method, Nana? First of all, if you have 3 digits, then you have to choose any 2. Here we have 4 digits, no? Same like 3 digits. Choose any 2. Now I will choose 12, 16. Out of the 2, 12, 16, 12 is a smaller number, so 12 as divisor, 16 as dividend. In 12 table, 16 is not possible, so 12 ones are 12. 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Here also you did not get the 0. Ikkada kuda 0 rasapothe em cheyalana? You have to take the first divisor as dividend. What is the first divisor? 12 is the first divisor, so 12 is the dividend. In 4 table 12 is possible. Is 12 is divisible by 4? Yes, that is 4 3s are 12. 3 times 12 minus 12 is 0. Here you got the remainder is 0. So what is the HCF of 12, 16? The HCF of 12, 16 is 4. Why you have to take 4 and this kavalana? Because always last divisor is our HCF. Last divisor అనేది మన HCF అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 12 to 16 కి HCF is 4. Then 4 with next number. This 4, this HCF is 4 and what is the next number? 24. Then 4 with 24. Out of these two numbers, what is the smaller number? 4. So 4 as divisor, 24 as dividend. Is 24 is divisible by 4? Yes. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So what is the HCF of 4, 24? Always last divisor. First divisor and last divisor 4. Here last divisor and first divisor and 4 కాబట్టి 4 is the HCF. Then this HCF with next remaining number. Which number remains now? ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ మిగిలిపోయింది నాన్న? 36. Now the HCF of 4. The HCF 4 and 36 left. The HCF of 4, 36 is out of these two numbers 4 is a smaller number, so 4 is a divisor, 36 as dividend. So in 4 table 36 is possible, that is 9 times 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So here you have to write HCF of 12, 16, 24, 36 is 4. Last divisor is 4. So like this you have to find. If you have 4 digits, how to find? First of all, choose any 2 numbers. Find the HCF of the 2 numbers. In that HCF, last divisor is your HCF. అందులో HCF ఏమవుతుందంటే లాస్ట్ డివిజర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ వచ్చిన HCF ని రిమైనింగ్ నెంబర్ తో చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ HCF వస్తుంది కదా, then this HCF with remaining number. If you have 4 digits, then you have to find the HCF like this. Okay. Directly we will go to the exercise. In exercise 10th question, 575, 690. Which bit nana it is? D bit. D bit. Sorry, E bit. E bit. Exercise 4.4 E bit. I think 10th question. 10th question is 575, 690, 920, 253. Now here also we have 4 numbers. If you have 4 digits, then what you have to do? First of all, choose any 2. So I have to choose these 2. Solution 575, 690, 920, 253. Then first of all we have to find the HCF of these two, 575 comma 690. Out of these two number, 575 is a smaller number, so 575 and 690 is, so in 575 table is 690 is possible. We will check possible or not. Let's check it out whether it is possible or not. 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 will become carry. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 here, 1 will become carry. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. 575 2s are 1150. If you take this number, it will become greater number. So we will take 575 ones are 575. Now here 0 minus 5 not possible. If that is not possible, then you have to take borrow. Borrow is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 will become 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here did you get the remainder 0 here? No. If you did not get the remainder as 0, then what you have to do? You have to take the first divisor as dividend. First divisor is dividend laga తీసుకోవాలి. 575. ఇప్పుడు 115 టేబుల్ లో 575 వస్తుందో లేదో చెక్ చేయాలి నేను. 115 టేబుల్. First 2s are 2 5s are 10, 0 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 1s are 2, 230. Next 3s are 3 5s are 15, 5 here, 1 will become carry. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 1s are 3, 345 not possible. 115 4s are 4 5s are 20, 0 here, 2 will become carry. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 1s are 4. Next 115 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 will become carry. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 1s are 5. Yes, 115 5s are 575. 115 5s are 575. So what you have to say here? The HCF of, write down, HCF of 575 comma 690 is 115. Then what you have to do? This HCF with next number. That means HCF of 115 comma HCF here we got 115. What is the next number? 920. Madam, can we choose 253? Can we take 253? Yes. Anyone. You can take, if you want to take the third one, take third one. If you want to take fourth one, then take fourth one. 115 comma 920. 115 comma 920. Smaller number as divisor, greater number as dividend. Now we will take 115 6s are 6 5s are 30. 0 here, 3 will become carry. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 9, 6 1s are 6. Next 115 7s are 7 5s are 35. 5 here, 3 will become carry. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3 10. 0 here, 1 will become carry. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. Next 115 8s are 8 5s are 40. 0 here, 4 will become carry. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4 12. 2 here, 1 will become carry. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Yes, 920 is possible. How many times? 115 8s are 920. So what is the HCF? 920 minus 920 is 0. Now did you get the remainder 0 here? Yes. So what is the HCF of 115 and 920? 115. This 115 with which number left now? Inka last k number మిగిలిపోయిందా? 253. మేడం వై హావ్ ఎందుకు మీరు 115 తీసుకున్నారంటే రెండు నెంబర్స్ కి HCF చేసినప్పుడు మనకి లాస్ట్ డివిజన్ ఏంటిది అన్న 115 కదా. సో we have to take these numbers. So 115. How many times it is possible? I think in 2 table. 2 times or 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 1s are 3. 4 times are no. 4 5s are 20. 0 here, 2 will become carry. Sorry 2s are, we'll take 2s are. 115 2s are 2 5s are 10. 0 here, 1 will become carry. 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 230. 115 2s are 230. 3 minus 0 3, 5 minus 3 2. Here you did not get the remainder as 0. So what you have to do, you have to take 115 here. 23 table. 23 2s are 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 23 4s are 4 3s are 12. So here 1 will become carry. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. 23 5s are 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Yes. 23 5s are 115. 115 minus 115 is 0. So finally here you have to write that the HCF of 575, 690, 920 and 253 is, what is the last HCF, what is the last divisor? 23. So the HCF of the 4 digits is 23. HCF of 575, 690, 920, 253 is, what is the last divisor? 23. So 23. 23 is the HCF of that 4 numbers. Like this you have to find the HCF. Okay. So remaining 2 problems are your homework. You have to complete that problems. Otherwise I'll explain 12 12. 12 12. In 12 1 we have 4 digits. You have to find same like this only. Question 1683, 1584, 5049, 6633. Then we have to find the HCF of these numbers. So how to find the HCF? First of all, we have to choose any two numbers. Choose any two. 1683, 1584, 5049, 6633. So I will take these two. Out of these two numbers, HCF of 1683, 1584. I will take these two. Out of these two, this is a smaller number, so smaller number as divisor, greater number as dividend. Now 1584 ones are 1584. If you take 2s are 2 is like more than a greater number is not 1s are 3 minus 4 not possible. If you take borrow 13, 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 will become 7, 7 minus 8 not possible. If you take bar it becomes 17, 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 will becomes 5, 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 9 0, no need. Now bring this 5000, 1584. Now 99 3s are, 99 2s are first. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 19. So here we need 4 digit number. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు 99 టేబుల్ లో 4 digit number కావాలి మనకి. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందనా? 99 10s వేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందనా? 99 10s will get 990 only. So if you want 4 digit number, that means మనకి 4 digit number కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? You have to go more you have to go for 910 11s are, 12s are, 13s are, like that you have to check. So 99 11s are we check first. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. So 1 9s are 9. Next 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9. 9, 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 1 10, 1089. No. Next 99 12s are 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 19. 1 2 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9. 8, 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 12. No. Next 99 13s are 3 9s are 27. 7 here 2 will become carry. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 29. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 7 9 9 18. 8 here 1 will become carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1800. Okay, 99 99 13s are 12, 1287. Next 99 14s are 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 3 39, 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9, 6, 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13. Next 99 15s are 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 4 49, 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9, 5 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1485. Next 99 16s are 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 5 59, 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9, 4 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 15, 1584. 99 16s are 1584. Now subtract here. 5 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 enough. Madam, why have you chosen 910? 11s are 12s are అట్లా తీసుకున్నారంటే here we have 4 digit number. మనకు కూడా 4 digit number కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలన్నా till we are doing, if you do the like multiplication up to 910s are 99 10s are up to 99 10s are we are getting 3 digit numbers only, 990 only. That means 99 10s are 990. That means up to 99 9s are what we will get below 990. 990 వరకు మనకు real numbers వస్తాయి, 99 8s are 9s are. So if we want more 4 digit number, then we have to go for more multiplication. That's why I have done for 99 16s are 1584. Then what is the HCF of these two numbers? The HCF of the two numbers is 99. Then 99 with next number. What is another number, Nana? 99 with 5049. 99 with 5049. Next 99 16s are we got 1584. So 99 17s are 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6 69. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 3 9 plus 9 18. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. 1683. So 99 20s are 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 0 here, 8 9 1 0, 1980. So we will check 99 21s are 22s are 23s are 24s are like that. 99 24s are we will take 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 3 39, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 6 9 9 plus 17, 10 13. It is 2300 only. So 99 34 we will take. 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 3 39, 3 9s are 27, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2 29, 6 7 plus 7 15 16, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 3366. Actually we need more 5000. 5000 means we will take 99 44s are 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 3 39, 4 9s are 36 again, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3 39, 6 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13. We got 4356. So we reached nearly, we reached 4356. Next we will check 99 49s are 99 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 4 49, 4 9s are 36, 4 9 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. 5. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here, 1 will becomes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 3 plus 1, 4. 4,455. So, we'll check. 99 55 are. 99 55 are. 99 55 are. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 5 9 10. 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 5,445. That means below 45. 99 53s are. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 7 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 9 4 plus 1 5. 5,247. So we need below. 99 52s are. 9 2s are 18. 9 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 8. 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 4 plus 1 5. So 99 51s are. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 9 9 plus 5, 14. 4 here, 1 will becomes carry. 9 plus 1 10. 0 here. 5,049. 99 51s are 5,049. So the LCM of so if you subtract, then you will get 5,049 minus 5,049 is 0. Then the LCM of these two numbers is 99. Then 99 with 6,000. 99 with class number 99. The LCM 99 with 6,633. Then 99 65s are. 61s are. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 9 6s are 54. 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 5, 59. 9 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 9 plus 1 10. 0 here. 6,039. Next 99 6 2 2s are. 2 9s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 6 9s are 54. 69 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. 8 8 plus 4 12. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 6 6,128. 99 67s are. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6 is 69. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. 3. 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. 9 plus 1 6. So 99 67s are 6,633. Finally the HCF of 1,600 HCF of 1,683, 1,584, 5,049, 6,633 is 99. That is here to find the HCF. Next question. Find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. That means for 56 and 84 we have to find the HCF. Find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. Find that number. Here I am not writing the question. Find the HCF of, find the greatest number. Find the greatest number. Greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. That divides 56 and 84 exactly. Solution. Here they said greatest. Greatest means highest. We have to find the HCF. 56 comma 84. Out of these two numbers, 56 is a smaller number, so 56 as divisor, 84 as dividend. 56 ones are 56. 4 minus 6 not possible. If you take 4, it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 2 is 7 minus 5 is 2. 28. 28 ones are 28. 28 twos are 56. So the HCF of 56 comma 84 is, what is the last divisor? 28. So 28. Next question. Find the greatest number that divides 28 and 49 without leaving a remainder. 28 comma 49. Find the greatest number that divides 28 comma 49. 28 comma 49 without leaving a remainder. Without leaving a remainder means exactly. Remainder should be 0. Without leaving remainder. Without leaving a remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder. Solution. Here also we have, they said highest number. If they said greatest number, that means we have to find the HCF. So HCF of 28 comma 49. Out of these two numbers, 28 is a smaller number, so 28 as a divisor, 49 as dividend. 28 ones are 28. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 21. Here we did not get the remainder as 0, so we have to take 28 as a dividend. 28 ones, 21 ones are 21. 8 minus 1 7. 7 minus 0. Here also you did not get the remainder 0, so we have to take second divisor as dividend. The second divisor is 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. HCF of 28 comma 49 is 7. See, here you did not get the remainder 0. Here remainder 0 కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ డివిజన్ ని డివిడెండ్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ డివిజన్ is 28. I have taken here 28 ones are 21. Here also you did not get the remainder as 0. So you have to take second divisor as dividend. Second divisor is 21. 21. 21 is divisible by 7. That is 3 times. 7 is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. So your homework is up to E, F, G bits. Complete your homework up to here. In the next class we will learn how to find the HCF by using number line, how to find the LCM by using prime factorization method and by using division method. By using these three methods, how to find the LCM means least common multiple. Then we will go to the exercise. So complete your homework up to here. If you have any doubts in this class, make call to me and ask me.